Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? How y'all been? I wanna show you a product I got in the mail the other day. Y'all seen them before. They sent me some camouflage rubber boots to hunt in this year. It's from DRYCODE. Bam. Bam. You can look them up. They're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'll try to put some of their links in the description. Let me show you these puppies. Oh, 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 oh. DRYCODE. DRYCODE. They've been hooking me up. I mean, y'all go check them out. I owe them that. I'm gonna put some clips of me reusing them in the video, and then I'm gonna wrap the video up. I'm gonna try to keep it short, sweet, to the point. I usually don't even make videos on them. I usually just do Instagram. If they want a YouTube video, that's fine. Stay there, good in the garden, they're good on the lake. I promise you. I promise you. Y'all check out these new boots I got right here. DRYCODE. Y'all go check them out. I'll have them linked in the description. This is the second pair they've hooked me up with. These are comfortable. Really comfortable. It's like the upper is like neoprene. I like that. Check out the bottom of them. You ain't slipping and falling on shit with them on. It's like them white Cajun boots, but they ain't ugly.
How about these waves?
How about these waves? Y'all like these waves? No wind at all, but there's pleasure boaters everywhere. All right, we finna get back to fishing, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see these. Go check them out. Link will be in the description.
Giant.
This might be.
I knew they was here.
Let's come on up in here.
They liking that thing today, ain't they?
Come on up in here.
They are liking that spinner today.
He ate it deep, folks. He ate it deep.
That was right where it dropped off, where you was at. Right.
Ooh, wee.
It's been a good day for you.
Been a good day for me. All right, y'all. Pretty good day. There.
He swallowed it.
He ate it.
Got it?
I don't think I'm boat food.
Come here. Damn you. Eating plumb full of shit.
Plumb full. Plumb full of shad, people. Ooh-wee.
You said a 3 pounder you wanted.
He ate it too.
2 casts.
Both casts I caught fish. I don't have another one that's ready.
What?
Another one. He's underspent.
Oh, I got a whole box.
I've been wearing them pretty much. I got them Thursday after lunch. I fished in them Thursday, Friday. I wore them on a road trip Saturday. And I've worked in the garden 3 days in them. These are my new Crocs, the Hella Crocs. They got good traction. They don't let dirt get in your feet. I like them. Hashtag forget the Crocs. Get the DRYCODE dock boots. Everybody, I'll put a link in the description. Y'all go check them out.